students, welcome to AJ Akshar Academy YouTube channel. In this session, I am going to discuss motion in a straight line. In this kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Please share your valuable comments in the comment section. Okay, let us go to the today's session. First one, kinematic equation for uniformly accelerated motion. So now we are deriving the equations by the graphical method. Let us consider the terms displacement x and the time taken t, initial velocity v naught, final velocity v, acceleration a. So here a represents acceleration, v nothing but initial velocity, v nothing but final velocity and the time taken t, displacement x. Okay, next. The three kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion are: first one, final velocity v is equals to v naught plus at. Here v naught is the initial velocity, v is the final velocity, a means acceleration, t means time taken. Second one, displacement x is equals to v naught into t plus half a t square. V naught is the initial velocity, x is the displacement and x is equal to v naught t plus half a t square. It is in the form of s is equals to ut plus half a t square. The first equation in the form of v is equals to u plus at. Third one, final velocity v square is equals to v naught square plus 2ax. V naught is the initial velocity and x is the displacement. So it is in the form of v square is equals to u square plus 2as or v square minus u square is equals to 2as. Next, let us derive v is equals to v naught plus at. Here we are taking the Vt graph and v naught is the initial velocity, a nothing but acceleration, change in velocity by time taken, that is dv by dt. Now a is equals to v minus v naught by t. So that is change in velocity by time taken. Let us consider this equation number 1. From equation 1 we get v minus v naught is equals to, taking cross multiplication, a into t. So at is equals to v minus v naught. So therefore v is equals to v naught plus at. This is the first equation of motion. Let us derive x is equals to v naught t plus half a t square. So from this graph OA is equals to BD. This is OA is equals to BD. Here that is equals to T, same type. So from this graph we are writing OA is equals to BD is equals to T and OB is equals to V naught is the initial velocity. And next CD is equals to BF is equals to CD. CD is equals to BF that is equals to OF minus OB. OF minus OB. If you want to calculate BF, here we are subtracting O to F, OF minus OB, then we will get the value of BF, that is V minus V naught. Final velocity minus initial velocity. So since a is equals to change in velocity by time taken, that is v minus v naught by t. So v minus v naught is equals to a into t. So next from this equation we are writing displacement is equals to x, that is area of OACB. OACB. Now that is equals to area of OADB plus area of triangle BDC. So Now area of OADB. Here OADB. This is a rectangle, length into breadth, OA into OB, and this is a triangle, that is BDC. Area of triangle is half into base into height, half into OA into height CD. So OA into OB plus half OA into CD. Next, x is equals to, this is V naught T plus half T into V minus V naught. So x is equals to V naught T plus T into V minus V naught, nothing but AT. So x is equals to V naught T plus half T into AT, nothing but A into T square. So x is equals to V naught T plus half AT square. This is second equation of motion. Next, let us derive the third equation of motion. V square is equals to V naught square plus 2AX. Now I will discuss. From the first equation, V is equals to V naught plus AT. That is, from this equation, we are adding T is equals to V minus V naught by A. From the second equation, x is equals to V naught T plus half AT square. So let us substitute T is equals to V minus V naught by A in equation 2. So now after substituting, we will get x is equals to V naught of, in the place of T, we are writing V minus V naught by A. So the equation becomes x is equals to V naught into V minus V naught by A plus half A V minus V naught by A whole square. So next, x is equals to, after multiplication, V naught by A minus V naught square by A plus A by 2 into V square plus V naught square minus 2 V naught by A square. So x is equals to V naught by A minus V naught square by A plus, after multiplication we are getting V square by 2A plus V naught square by 2A minus V naught by A. 2 gets cancels. So this equation becomes V square by 2A plus V naught square by 2A minus V naught square by A. Here this plus V naught by A minus V naught by A gets cancels. Okay, next. Now x is equals to V square by V square minus V naught square by 2A. So from this we are writing, after taking cross multiplication, V square minus V naught square is equal to 2AX, then V square is equals to V naught square plus 2AX. Now discuss MCQs. Kinematic equations are applied for a uniformly dash motion. First one, circular motion. Second one, retorted motion. And the third one is deaccelerated motion. And fourth one is accelerated motion. So kinematic equations are applied for a uniformly accelerated motion. So the option D is correct. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.